Do you want to know how you can log into your Murf AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Murf AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Murf AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Murf AI where you can go from text to speech with the versatile AI voice generator. Now to log in, you can just click on this option which is shown to you by Google and click continue with your profile. In a while, you can notice that you will be logged into your Murf AI account using your Google account. So, this is how you log into your Murf AI account. This was a process by logging into your account by Google. Now, to log in using your email address, all you need to do is click on login, which is over here on the top right hand side, where you can see this page. This page allows you to log in using your Google, Microsoft or Slack account. Or else you can write down your email address over here, your password over here, and then click login. This way you can log in to your Murf AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.